see on the top navigation of this pre-meeting, I will see breakout rooms. Here, I click on it, and I will see an option create rooms down below. So I click on it, and here I can choose how many rooms I want to have. On this example, I will choose 2 rooms, but the maximum you can choose between is 50 rooms, and that's all. But I will choose 2 rooms. So I click add rooms, and my rooms will be created. And like you see, Microsoft Teams create default names on these rooms. That will be room number 1, room number 2, and it will keep going like that. And if I want to change the name of the room, I just click on the 3 dots on the top of the room and click on it and rename. And on this example, I'm gonna put my name Paula. And before I assign the participants to these rooms, I want to show you the options you have before you start to assign them. So here on the right, you see room settings. So, and then I have remove rooms. If I click on this, I will remove all the rooms. But if I want to remove one room, if I want to do a new one, I just click on the 3 dots and click delete. And the same thing if I want to add more rooms, I just click on the plus button here, and it will automatically create a new room. But for this example, I only want to have 2 rooms. So I click on the 3 dots and click delete and delete. So let's go to room settings. And here I have some options. I have assigned presenters to manage rooms, set a time limit, automatically move people to rooms, and let people return to the main meeting. So what is all of these options? First of all, assign presenters to manage rooms. It means if I have a lot of rooms I have created, I'm gonna need some help to handle all the rooms, and then I can assign a person from this meeting and just assign them. But I will not show you that step because it's a lot of steps. So I click off and set a time limit. If I click here, I can choose how long the room will be open. So if I choose 10 minutes and then click there, I can have automatically move people to rooms on. And that means when I open the room, all the participants that are in the rooms will get automatically moved into the rooms. And when I close the rooms, or when the 10 minutes have ended, they will automatically move back to the room. But if I don't have this on, they will see a text on the top. When I open a room, they will see the rooms are open, join the room. And that's the same thing when I close the room. They will see a text on the top, the room has been closed. So you go back to the main meeting. But if I want to let people go in before the 10 minutes have left, they can go in if I click this on, and then they can come in before the 10 minutes has ended. But for this example, I'm gonna click no and then save. So now it's time to add my participants to the room. So I click on assign participants, and here I can choose automatically or manually. So automatically means that Teams helps me to put these participants to each rooms. But for this example, I want to choose manually because I want to choose what kind of people would be in their rooms. So I click manually, next. And I will choose everyone to room Paula. And you saw I click on the top here and then choose room number Paula. But if I want to Daniel Forsberg be at another room, I just click on his name on the side there, and I click room number 2. I will see he will be in room number 2, and then save. And then I will see here that in room Paula, I have 2 participants and 1 in room number 2. So when it's time to join the meeting, after you have prepared this, you just click on join, and you will see the rooms prepare on the panel on the side. So this is the way you do before a meeting.